Let me ask you a question. If someone told you that one decision you make this month could determine the next 4 years of your academic life, wouldn't you want to get that decision right? Because that's exactly what your research topic does. Most students think the hardest part of a PhD is writing the thesis. It isn't. The hardest part is choosing a research topic that's actually worth spending years on. I've seen students spend months reading papers, writing proposals, discussing ideas with supervisors, only to realize their topic was too broad, impossible to complete, or had already been answered years ago. And here's the scary part. None of those problems happened because they weren't intelligent. They happened because they asked the wrong questions at the beginning. Instead of asking, "Is this topic exciting?" they should have been asking, "Can this topic actually become a successful thesis?" Those are two very different questions. Before we dive in, if you're passionate about research, AI, and becoming a more productive researcher, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Every week, we share practical research strategies, AI workflows, and academic insights that can save you hours of work and help you become a better researcher. Now, let's begin with the first question almost nobody asks, but everyone should. Can you actually finish this research? When students tell me they have a brilliant research idea, I almost never ask what the topic is. Instead, I ask them something much simpler. How are you going to do it? And that's usually where the silence begins. Because having a good research idea isn't the same as having a research plan. Let's imagine you're interested in studying AI in healthcare. That sounds exciting. It's a trending field. There are thousands of papers. But then reality starts asking questions. Where will you get the clinical data? Do you have permission to access it?
Who will help you analyze it?
Does your university have the software you need? Can you realistically complete this within 3 or 4 years? Suddenly, what looked like the perfect topic starts looking much more complicated. This is where many research projects fail not because the idea is bad, but because nobody tested whether it was realistic. Here's something I've learned from experienced researchers. A focused question that you can answer completely is almost always more valuable than an ambitious question you never finish. Don't fall in love with the title of your research. Fall in love with a project you can actually complete. A practical exercise. Before downloading another research paper, do this. Take a blank page and write down every major step your project will require. How will you collect the data? How will you analyze it? What software will you need? What skills are missing? Who can help you? If you can't answer those questions yet, that's not a reason to quit. It's a sign that your research question probably needs to become smaller and more focused. And that's completely normal. Even experienced researchers refine their ideas many times before finding the right one. Where Multilo becomes useful. This is usually the point where research starts feeling overwhelming. You've got PDFs in one folder, your proposal in another, notes on your desktop, references saved somewhere else. And every new paper creates even more information to organize. Instead of trying to remember where everything is, I keep the entire project inside one Multilo workspace. My papers, my previous Word documents, research notes, ideas, drafts, even conversations with AI stay connected to the same project. So instead of asking AI the same questions repeatedly, Multilo understands the context of the research I've already collected. That means I spend less time searching for information and more time thinking critically about my research.